Undoubtedly, you've been having some conversations about cryptocurrency with your family or friends or people you just bump into. And everyone's an expert according to them. But just remember, the first thing you need to ask anyone talking about cryptocurrency is what is the use case of the coin they're talking about? If they can't answer that question, then you need to send them back home to do some more research and get back to you. Today, what I'd like to go through is what is the use case of the Dacxi coin. My name's Andrew Squilari. I'm a digital asset strategist. I've been involved with cryptocurrency for over 5.5 years now and sharing my knowledge and experience with people for 5 years pretty consistently. I'm a Dacxi customer and I'm a Dacxi coin hodler. That means I hold Dacxi coin. I really like what the exchange is doing and that's why I'm doing this video. I'm not a financial planner. I don't offer financial advice, trading advice or any other sort of advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you spend any money anywhere, but I would highly recommend you talk to a financial planner and an accountant combined to structure yourself correctly to generate lots of wealth, because we are on a very big transition of wealth right now and people getting involved with cryptocurrency, I do expect them to have tax issues. Don't ask your accountant or your advisor their advice about cryptocurrency unless they hold it and have done well themselves. Otherwise, they won't have any idea what you are talking about. Now, I'm not going to talk about the markets for too much, but it's very pertinent that I do. Now, this is the coin market cap, which is all the cryptocurrencies listed on coinmarketcap.com. And as you can see, this is Australian numbers. We've got over $2 billion worth of value sitting in cryptocurrency at the moment. On this particular website, they list 8,500 particular cryptocurrencies. There's many, many, many more because you need to have at least 3 exchange listings to be on this list. And many cryptocurrencies, especially some of the network marketed ones, will never be listed here as they won't comply with the rules of this particular site. Now, as you can see, over the last 12 months or so, from July last year through to February 2021, we've had quite a large increase in the coin market cap. Back in July, the market cap was $346 billion. And as of yesterday, the 21st of February 2021, was over $2 trillion. So the whole industry has grown in excess of 500% in the last 7 months. So we are really in a moving stage. The adoption curve is really moving, and that is what people are talking about and trying to understand what are the safest entry points into cryptocurrency. Now, what I'd like to talk a little about is where is the value in the Dacxi coin. Now, just to explain a little bit more about the Dacxi coin, the Dacxi coin is an ERC20 token. So it's validated on the Ethereum blockchain. Most cryptocurrencies are validated on the Ethereum blockchain. There's quite a few other validators out there, but most are on the Ethereum blockchain. It is centrally minted by Dacxi Pty Ltd, and they have global licensing in Singapore and Estonia. It was first minted back in November 2017. It has a total market supply of 10 billion tokens, and the Dacxi global sale to the public is 5 billion, which is just about complete. And the DAC Pacs and the coin will be, the DAC Pacs will be finishing soon, and the coin will be listed externally very soon as well. Now, what is the use case for the Dacxi coin? This is the most important slide of this presentation. It's actually a wealth builder token. So how is this achieved? It's the entry and exit token to crowd finance opportunities on the Dacxi global platforms. We are specifically out there helping startup companies get funding globally for local projects. So these are real companies, real problem-solving companies that need funding, and we can use the Dacxi global ecosystem to help with those companies' funding and allow them to fundraise from a global audience into a local project. That is a very, very big problem. And of course, there's going to be a lot of money go into this particular token because it does solve a big problem. Now, the primary use case, like I said, is a wealth builder token. Just to expand on that a little bit more. Globally, there's no clear investment path for retail investors to access opportunities. The Dacxi coin is the entry and exit coin to access these opportunities. So you need to have the Dacxi coin to get involved with the crowdfunding opportunities. Now, at the moment, there's a lot of things happening in the cryptocurrency space with the big blue chip coins, but they are going to plateau out at some point, and that's when the true power of this particular coin is going to be realized. I love the fact that all customers on the Dacxi platform have 3 levels of due diligence applied to all tokens listings on the Dacxi platform. So 3 professional organizations are going to look at every single opportunity before we get to see them on the exchange. We're not qualified to do due diligence on a particular idea. All we're qualified to do is whether we like the idea and it resonates with us. But 3 professional organizations has given their opinion whether this opportunity is going to be good for us to put our Dacxi coin into. The other part of it is individual ownership. So we don't pool money into an opportunity and someone manages the pool. We own the assets. We can buy and sell the assets anytime we choose. We are 100% control of our money. We can use our wealth to fund projects that we are passionate about, what we like. I like medtech, other people like agricultural tech, other people like environmental tech. We can fund into the area that we want our money to help and grow. And last thing is the ability to exit projects at any time through the exchange. A lot of startup opportunities means you lock your money up for years and years and years before you can get your cash back or convert it to a different asset. With the Dacxi exchange, there'll be ability for you to buy and sell in and out of these opportunities at your choice. That is pretty cool. And the last thing is the main reason why I got involved with the Dacxi platform is angel investor takeover. So the startup company that is looking for funding is protected from the angel investors, because instead of having 1 or 2 people control the funding of a project, there's thousands of people actually putting a little bit of money in each, which means that the company that's innovative and wanting to grow isn't controlled by the financier. And many of my friends have lost control of their companies because the angel investor has taken it over. So some additional use cases for the Dacxi coin. Obviously, community-inspired investment pools, so we can all pool some money and do some great community projects, and global philanthropic donations and projects. So again, we're going to help fund projects globally or locally using the wealth that we've created in the Dacxi coin. The last part of this is we have a global partner program, and that is ongoing, so there'll be some partnership rewards for helping people understand cryptocurrency. And last of all is staff incentives. So staff do get Dacxi coins for working for the company, which is a standard practice in cryptocurrency, and also other companies with shareholder incentives as well. Why will the Dacxi be successful as an exchange and a token? So historically successful management team. The company's been running for 3.5 years very successfully. Prior to the people that are working with the company and own the company, they were super successful in their previous careers, and they've brought that knowledge, experience, and wisdom into the company management team, and we've had a very good run with the Dacxi company globally. We have 3 years of consistent positive growth and tech development. Now, we have gone through crypto winter, which was back in 2019, where most companies, most coins crashed and burned and failed and vanished. So we've gone through that there very successfully and strongly. And the tech development is really designed all around that retail investor that's either no tech or low tech. So it's a very, very good business model. We have a unique business strategy. Many companies rush the market and crash and burn, but Dacxi's taken their time. It's a 3.5-year-old project already, which is very old for cryptocurrency. And the strategy has been put into place for the listing of their coin and the introduction of the Dacxi ecosystem globally has perfect timing. The big thing is it complements big exchanges and government direction. There is no clear investment path for early stage investing. Without early stage investing, companies can't get big enough to go onto their local national stock exchanges, and the government can't really support startups the way they need to. They give them a little bit of money, which is enough to fail, but not enough to be successful. So we allow companies to grow to be listed on the national stock exchanges, and we actually are able to provide more funding than the government funding models do now. At the moment, there's no competition in the market because we do that unique individual ownership of crowdfunding opportunities, but there is lots of room for competition. This industry is huge. There's so many tokenized opportunities out there, and cryptocurrency and blockchain technology can allow many companies to get into this space, and there's going to be a lot of value in that area, and we're going to see some great innovation over the next few years. And the last thing, which is the thing that I like the most, is the company focus on community education and confidence. There's lots of webinars that the owners of the company and the managers of the company do lots of webinars. We do lots of educational opportunities for people. We have conversations on WhatsApp and Telegram, helping people understand cryptocurrency. And we do like people to develop confidence in cryptocurrency so they can take advantage of what's happening right now. Now, I'd like to just talk a little bit about other exchange coins. So there's a few out there, not many, but there's a few other exchange coins. We've got the BNB, which is attached to the Binance exchange. We've got Huobi, which is the Huobi coin, and also FTX, which is a trading platform. At the moment, one BNB is $336, which is quite high. It's had a very big growth over the last few months. Huobi coin's worth $30, and FTX is worth $41. So you can see the difference in prices. The BNB's got 170 million tokens. Dacxi's got possible 10 billion. Huobi's 500 million, and FTX is 300 million. Now, a lot of people say that what's the top price that our Dacxi coin can reach? Well, I don't really know. But as an example, if BNB produced 10 billion coins, then their coin today would be worth $5.70. Again, if Huobi did the same number if we've got, that'd be $1.50, and FTX $1.46. Now, I don't know where the Dacxi coin price is going to go, but if these companies had 10 billion coins and you did the averages out, these would be their prices on the day. Now, BNB has got a very solid use case now. They didn't before, but they've got a good solid use case now, and that's worth investigating a bit more for you. Huobi, it's got a very weak use case, only gives you some exchange discounts, and FTX, again, only gives you some exchange discounts. Their use case can change. They can do some tech upgrades and give it more usability, like the BNB's just got a new system coming out now, which has added a lot of value to their coin. So I don't know where the Dacxi coin price is going to go, but there are some very good options for people to understand crypto, and exchange coins are intrinsically valuable because they're part of the industry and the exchange. Now, how to buy the Dacxi coin is pretty easy. Someone would have introduced this to you, and they will have a partner link. Like I said, there's a partner program attached to exchange. You'll choose a DAC Pac, a precious metal bundle, or a blue chip bundle. Click on the buy button. Type in the amount of money that you actually want to purchase. Go to next. Open up an exchange account using the email address you want associated with your account. A 12-digit password, one capital, one number, one numeral. Read the terms and conditions, please. Don't just tick it mindlessly. If your introducer's email address does not pop up there, or their name, make sure you put that in there. Ask them what that is and sign up for an account. Go through and verify your account. In that process, you'll get an email giving you the banking instructions. Use the unique reference code in your bank transfer. Once Dacxi gets your money and you've opened and verified your account, they will allocate the coins into your account, and congratulations. You should have a smile on your face because you're entering very exciting times in cryptocurrency, and you have one of the most powerful coins that I've seen on the marketplace for a very long time. Thank you for being open to learning, plan for the future, but take action now. For additional information, go to Dacxi.com, go to the What We Do tab. There's a learn area there. Go through those videos, teaches you a bit more about cryptocurrency. Go to the Dacxi Global Facebook pages, the Dacxi Global YouTube page, and make sure you get back to the person that shared this video with you. Learn, ask questions, gain confidence, and enter the marketplace at a level that you are happy with. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye. Just one little additional part of this video. On the 24th of February 2021, there's a 25% price rise in the Dacxi coin. So the DAC Pac gives you the most amount of coins because you're only buying the Dacxi coin, and you get a 50% bonus by purchasing this pack up until the 24th. This 50% bonus will reduce down to 40%, and the price rise, of course, will go from 5.7 cents up to about 7.1 cents Australian dollars. What that really means is if you were to purchase a $10,000 DAC Pac right now, you'd get 263,000 Dacxi coin, And if you purchased on Thursday the 25th, you would get 196,000 points. It does make a big difference. The longer you wait, the less risk involved, of course, but of course, with that, the less rewards. Look forward to helping you on a journey learning about crypto. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.